Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Julie with Bookshelf by Julie. Today we're working on our 100-day crafting challenge, day 99. Do you believe it? Day 99. Wow. That is super cool. Today is a flip through, a ta-da, if you will. I finished this up off camera. We did most everything on camera. I kept it simple throughout because it was an experiment, right? We were checking out to see if that slotted spine was going to work. It worked great. I loved it. It was absolutely perfect. So, as you can see, I put a frayed fabric strip around for the closure. I used some of the things from the journal kit, the fussy cuts and such. Some of them were freebies, some of them were in the kit. I can't remember now which is which. So I made a little fence pocket down here to go, hold a few small journal cards. I put some of the, I think these were freebies. Now, little flowers in behind. Daisies and I don't know what those are, but anyways, they're pretty, so I'll put them there. So we've got that, and we've got our garden sign over here. Little bird, little horse, because, I like him. He's cute. Kept it simple. Kept it simple. I did attach the fabric strip on the back spine, but everywhere else it's loose. So that'll keep it intact, and it won't get lost. But then it'll just, go out of the way if I can not get a knot when I'm untying it. So here we go. I have stuffed it with things I had in my stash because with a 100-day challenge you don't have time to go in and make a whole bunch of stuff. I had a lot of leftovers from different gardening things. I had little tiny postcards that that we made during the 100-day challenge. Got some of these, just different things that I had in my stash to stick in the pockets. It's just pretty. I used some of the postcards that we made along with some of the tall window cards from the kit. Just different things that I had in my stash. Just cute, whatnot, I think we made these pocketed postcards or pocketed journal cards, gosh, a long time ago. And this one has a pocket here and a pocket here. So it's a unique thing that I had been sort of tinkering around with. And, so I stuck some of those in there. I think this one's a flip up and flip open. These are some things I used to do long ago. But yep, that's from the garden kit, I think. I had two kits. One was in the garden and one was my secret garden. So they're from something like that. I don't think the in the garden one is available in my Etsy shop anymore, but some people still have it. So if you have it, then you have things like this. It's from long ago. I like this. This worked out so pretty. And look, this couldn't have done any better. This slotted spine system, it's just, this is another one of the pocket at the side and pocket at the top things. If anybody's interested in that, it's super simple and easy. I can show you how to do that. I even put some of these in from the because they're gardeny. This is from the Family History journal kit. Yep, that's where it's from. Okay, so my big deal is this was an experiment It's the prototype of the slotted spine. This worked out even better than I thought it would, and we did it on camera, so yeah, it just worked out so good. This is so in there. I mean, look at that. There's not one little problem with it. It just is awesome. And so I can see this being used as in the future. I'm sure I'm going to experiment with different things with this particular element. You can put a slotted spine and sew a signature in and have your hinged pages as well, and have it as like a regular hidden spine, because it is put in like a hidden spine, and create something completely unique and have lots of writing space in it. This one I didn't go so much for the writing space. Well, there's a lot of journal cards, but I just wanted to make sure to see if this slotted spine system that I came up with in my little brain would work, and it did. It really did. I'm still a little shocked, but it worked so good till, look, there's no problems anywhere with it. It worked so good. So if it worked good now, it'll work good in the future. When something comes through and works great the first time, then you know you got something really good. Okay. Oh, another thing I did with this one when I was finishing it off, I put inside lace and outside lace. I don't know if you can see that, but there's lace on the inside because I just thought that would be really pretty. And I put it down into these grooves, and that worked too. This has been such a great thing. I'm definitely going to be using this again. Future videos will have this element in one way or another. They just will, because I like it. I don't know how long it'll take me to get around to it, but I like it. So yeah, I put the lace on the inside and on the outside, and that gives it just a little bit of an extra, I don't know, pretty. Is that a thing? It gives it extra pretty. And just this inside lace matches the lace that I put on the hinged pages, right? These and these. And the outside lace is the one that I usually use on my bigger journals for the outside. So yeah, I think these were leftover pieces from a birthday card set that I did, and I made pocketed journal cards. It's pretty without putting anything in there, but I just thought I'd stuff it a little and see if I could fill it up some. There's so much more room in there. You could put a lot more in this. Loads more would fit in here. It's just, I'm a little happy with myself. Okay. It worked out so good. I hope you guys give it a try and do this. It's so easy. And look, I think one of the big things that make it work, you could do it without the fabric, of course, but I think putting that fabric on there, it just gave it that little bit of extra sturdiness that I think it needed, but also it just, I don't know, it worked. It worked perfectly. So yeah, the slotted spine hinged journal is done, and there's your ta-da. And look at that. It just, that's not loose anywhere. There's no problem anywhere. It just worked perfectly. I'm shocked. So anyways, I quit rambling on about it now. It's just, I'd never done one like that, never seen it done, and I thought, well, you know, let's give it a try. And it worked. Usually when you give something a try, you do it off camera because Golly Bob, and then some. It goes wrong on camera. Okay, but that one didn't. That was perfect. Okay, day 99, guys. 99. Done. The next video you will see tomorrow will be day 100. We will have finished this challenge. Thank you for hanging in there with me, for going through all this stuff with me, for making stuff, for just being there every day. I appreciate it more than you know. So, you guys take care. Please like and subscribe, pretty please. Thanks for watching. TTFN.